Hello, hey guys, welcome to my channel Wise. Today I'm going to show you the solution that if you're getting an email where you have something attached, let's say a zip file or any file which is having very high size, let's say more than 100 MB, and difficult to download it. Let's say I can go over here. If I click on this, you can see the downloading will not start. So how to download very large files via or that you have got on your Gmail? So what you have to do is, so let's say you will get two things. One is an attachment and you will get one kind of editable, or what I can say, one type of clickable link. You can just click on that and that will take you to one more new page of Google Drive, and generally because the larger file it has been shared via Google Drive. Now over here you can see that okay, there is a download option and there is one download option over here. If you click on that, it will take you to one more link, and this will give you this download anyway option because it is too large. So click on that, and as soon as you click on this, downloading will start, as you can see over here, right? So that's the way to download very large files if you're getting it on your email ID. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Wise Man. Thank you.